Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is pink color, blue color, yellow color, red color, purple color, parrot color, green color, and the last one is orange color. Now it's time to color a carrot. How many carrots can you see? So here are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here are 4 carrots.